Moving on now, eviction of over 100,000 residents in Nzoia County to pave way for the affordable housing has started as President William Ruto has been urged to rescind his decision and find alternative land to build the houses. Now, Nzoia Senator Alan Chesang has expressed that despite him supporting the affordable housing program, the move to evict people who were sold the prison's land unknowingly years back by influential people in previous governments and have since buried their loved ones on the land. Now, Chesang believes that there are alternative lands to build the affordable houses while not eroding the already existing developments in the area, which includes schools, hospitals, and social amenities.
On this position of evicting people from this land, I want to say that, Your Excellency, with humble request, we plead with you that my people, this government might have a different approach in terms of settling these people. These people are willing to sit down and negotiate with the government, and they even aware that this was government land. Let us approach it differently as our government. This is a government that we are in. I'm a senator that was elected in this same government, and I fully support the government agenda. And I know, Your Excellency, many people, many other leaders in Nzoia who are really pushing this agenda of evicting people in this land do not have Nzoia's interests at heart, including the governor of Nzoia, His Excellency, Governor Natembeya. My people are not at peace. So please, on behalf of these people who elected me, I want to plead with this government that, to be very frank and to be very honest, we should have a different approach. We should have a different conversation in terms of settling these people. It is not right whereby people are being chased where they have buried their loved ones. We should reconsider. We have investments of our people here. We are supporting this agenda of affordable housing, and I think we do not need all these more than 3,000 acres to build.